Hello friend, today I see you how to create fake chat for prank. So we go to Play Store and search fake chat conversion and open this app and click man icon and create chat single man icon name as like Jahid Khan. He is very controversial man of Bangladesh and save. Sorry friend, this app showing huge amount ads. This is very disgusting. Oh shit, again ads. That can now we set profile picture. Find that can picture in my gallery. This is that can. Yes. Same to same column Jahid Khan account. Now add under line lives in UK, not UK, Dhaka. Set Dhaka. And now I write hi, just hi. I send him. I send it and now then can send me hello. I receive it. Then again I send that can how are you? I send that can. Now that can send me I'm fine. Receive. That is simple. You also block this person icon. So friend, this is very good app for prank. I hope you like it.